Alright, we're gonna dive right in and let's do this. This is a dryer that isn't drying. So why don't we troubleshoot it yourself a little bit before you go ahead and hire a big old handyman. So you can see I got it working. That was a flame on the left. So try it in all the different settings. Make sure that the flame isn't shooting on. So next what you're gonna do, pull it away from the wall, shut off your gas. Clean the area. You don't want to kneel down in all that junk, believe you me. There's some spiders you've probably never seen before. So clean that out. Then you're going to start taking the back plate off your dryer. And I'm telling you, once you get this thing off, it's really simple. I mean, there's only a few pieces that you're ever going to have to replace. And you can get to them all from the back of the dryer here once you take off the panel. I'm going to try the fuse first. I didn't buy a fuse. I just found out this thing wasn't heating, so I need to get these clothes dried. So what I do is I take the two prongs off my fuse down here, and I actually just clip them to each other. And you can see the fuzz on the fuse. I think maybe that shorted out my fuse. So if plugging these two wires together in my dryer works, then I know it's probably the fuse. And then you have to figure out if the fuse blows again, what is making the fuse blow. But for now, I'm just gonna kind of bypass the fuse by putting the clips together. Here we go. Put them together. I turn it on, and boom, we have flame. So now it is heating up. It is working. So obviously the fuse was blown. So I'm gonna order another fuse. It's like $4 on Amazon. We can run up to the hardware store. All of them have the same types of fuses. Bring the fuse with you, they'll match it. And here we go, we got flame. So that window, you actually take a clip off of there, and that's for checking out the pilot flame. So you can see if it's running. This is the new fuse that I got. I believe 2 of them came in the bag. So I'll take out the old one, put that one in, plug your wires back on. And again, if it blows again in a day or 2 or a month, then you know something is making the actual fuse go. From the back of the dryer, you can get to the, they're called the solenoids, whatever makes the gas go. You can get to the belt. You can get to pretty much anything that you need to replace is right in this general area of the back of the dryer. So once you take it off, it's not very scary. Go ahead and dive in and save yourself hundreds of dollars. You don't want to be calling that repairman. You don't want to pay $15 a month for Service Star, Energy Star Plus. All your subscriptions that you already have, you don't need to add to it, right? Let's plug in these back in. And of course, you already know. Plug in, turn on the gas. Turn on the knob. Fire this bad boy up, and we have flames. Thanks again for watching. Appreciate you all. Take a look at my other videos. Talk to you soon.